What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to use polynomial multiplication for square roots. First example here is root 7 times root 3 minus 21. Answer is root 7 times 3 is 21 minus root 7 times root 21, which is going to be 1 minus root 7 times root 21. Or you can show it like that, 21 minus root 7. 21 is 7 times 3, so it's going to be root 21 minus 7 root 3. Next example is 7 plus root 3 times 9 minus root 3. Answer is 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times negative root 3 is going to be negative 7 root 3. Then 9 times root 3 minus root 3 times root 3. That makes it 63 plus 2 root 3, because negative 7 root 3 plus 9 root 3 is going to be positive root 2 root 3, minus root 3 times root 3 is going to be just 3. So it will be 60 plus 2 root 3. Next example, we have 8 minus root 2 times 3 plus root 2. Answer is 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times root 2 is 8 root 2. Negative 3 root 2 minus root 2 times root 2. So that's 24 plus 5 root 2 minus root 2 times root 2 is going to be 2. So that's 22 plus 5 root 2. Next example. Nine minus root 2 times 6 plus root 2. Answer is 9 times 6, 54. 9 times root 2 minus 6 times root 2 minus root 2 root 2. That makes it 54 minus 2, which is 52. And 9 root 2 minus 6 root 2 is going to be 3 root 2. Next example is 3 minus root 7 times 5 minus root 7. Answer is 5 times 3, 15. Negative 3 root 7 minus 5 root 7 plus 7. So that's 22 minus 8 root 7. Next example is 5 minus root 7 times 4 minus root 7. Answer is 5 times 4, 20. 5 times negative root 7 is going to be 5 root 7 minus 4 root 7 plus, because negative root 7 times negative root 7 is going to be positive 7. So that's going to make it 27 minus 9 root 7. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.